Have you ever heard a short story in English and suddenly you understand everything?
Oh, yes, that feels so good.
And then you think, wow, I can really understand English.
Yes, it feels like magic.
Today, we will do that together.
Yes, today we will learn English through short stories.
And don't worry, the stories are easy and fun.
And maybe a little funny too.
So stay with us and let's enjoy English together. So Mia, how are you today?
I am good, Alex. I feel happy today.
That's nice. Why are you happy?
I had a good breakfast.
Oh, really? What did you eat?
I ate toast and eggs, and I drank coffee.
That sounds perfect. I only drank coffee.
Only coffee? No food?
Yes, I was too lazy.
Alex, that is not good.
I know.
You need energy.
Maybe after this I will eat something.
Good idea.
So today, our topic is learning English through short stories.
Yes, stories are a great way to learn.
Because stories are easy to remember.
And they're fun.
Also, stories help you understand real English.
Yes, you hear words in real situations.
So today, we will tell simple short stories.
And we will learn new phrases.
Are you ready?
I am ready.
Okay, here is our first short story.
Let's listen carefully.
Tom wakes up late in the morning.
Oh no, that is not a good start.
Yes, Tom looks at the clock.
What time is it?
It is 9:30.
Oh, he's late.
Yes, he says, "Oh no, I'm late for work."
Poor Tom.
He runs to the bathroom.
He is in a hurry.
Yes, he brushes his teeth very fast.
Maybe too fast.
Then he wears his clothes quickly.
And then?
He runs out of the house.
Did he eat breakfast?
No, he forgot.
Oh no, like you, Alex.
Hey, that is true. Here is a useful phrase. I am late.
Yes, you can say, I am late for work.
Or, I am late for school.
Very simple and useful.
Now, Mia, have you ever been late?
Yes, many times.
Tell us one story.
Okay, one day I was late for a meeting.
What happened?
I woke up late, like Tom,
That is not good.
and then I could not find my shoes.
What? Your shoes?
Yes, I looked everywhere.
Where were they?
They were under the bed.
That is funny.
Yes, I laughed, but I was still late.
Okay, let's go to our second short story.
I am ready.
Anna goes to a cafe.
Nice. I like cafes.
Anna sits at a table.
Is she alone?
Yes, she is waiting for her friend.
Okay.
The waiter comes and says, "What would you like?"
Simple question.
Anna says, "I would like a coffee, please."
Very polite.
She waits and waits.
Where is the coffee?
Finally, the waiter comes back.
And?
He brings tea.
Tea? But she ordered coffee.
Yes, Anna is surprised.
What does she say?
She says, "Sorry, I ordered coffee."
Good. Very polite.
The waiter says, "Oh, I'm sorry."
That happens sometimes.
Here is a useful phrase. I would like,
Yes, you can say, I would like a coffee.
or I would like water.
Very useful in restaurants.
Now, Mia, have you ever ordered the wrong food?
Yes, one time I wanted juice.
And?
I said soup by mistake.
What? Soup?
Yes, I was nervous.
That is so funny.
And the waiter brought hot soup.
Did you drink it?
Yes, I was too shy to say no.
That is a funny story. Now, let's do something fun.
Yes,
If you're watching, write "Hello Alex" in the comments.
and write hello Mia too.
We want to see your comments.
Yes, we love reading them.
Okay, let's go to our third short story.
Let's go.
John goes to the park in the evening.
That sounds relaxing.
He sits on a bench.
Nice.
He sees a dog.
I love dogs.
The dog comes to him.
Is the dog friendly?
Yes, the dog is very friendly.
That's good.
John says, "Hello, little dog."
Cute.
The dog wags its tail.
That means the dog is happy.
Yes, John plays with the dog.
That sounds fun.
Then the dog runs away.
Oh no.
John says, "Wait."
Did the dog come back?
Yes, the owner comes and says thank you.
Nice ending.
Here is a useful phrase. Come here.
Yes, you can say it to a person or a pet.
Very simple. Now, Mia, do you like parks?
Yes, I do.
What do you do in the park?
I walk and listen to music.
That sounds peaceful. What about you? I just sit and watch people.
That is interesting.
Yes, People are funny sometimes. Okay, let's talk about some tips.
Yes, tips are very important.
Tip 1. Listen to short stories every day.
Even 5 minutes is good.
Tip 2. Repeat the sentences.
Yes, speak with us.
Tip 3. Don't be afraid of mistakes.
Mistakes are okay.
Tip 4. Use simple sentences.
Simple is better.
Let's do a quick recap.
Yes, today we learned through short stories.
We learned I am late
We also learned I would like.
and come here.
We also heard fun stories.
Yes, and we laughed a little.
That makes learning easy.
Now, here is a question for you.
Yes, answer in the comments.
Which story did you like?
Story 1, 2, or 3.
Or tell us your own short story.
Keep it simple.
Thank you for listening.
We hope you enjoyed this video.
Keep practicing English every day.
You are doing great.
Don't forget to like this video.
And subscribe to our channel.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.